I was raised by people that did like drugs and a lot of things that's very not good, and they also in that business the same type of thing the industry do, but they just more of, you know, a yes man in a way. They they took me from my real parents because the one that took the role as my dad was really originally a caretaker. It's a whole story with him actually, but he was a caretaker at first, and then I just remember when I was little that we had to hurry up and leave from this house before my mom got back. And then my dad knew where I was at, and then my grandma knew where I was at. So I don't know if I don't know what's her standpoint in all this, because why am I still seeing your face and not my mom's face, and then you with my dad? And all of a sudden we kept moving, and then we moved abruptly all the time, like moved around constantly. The thing is, my dad, well, the second one, he had 5 kids in his house. 5 kids. He never worked once. How do you able to support 5 kids? And then the rest of his baby mom's daughter kids and stuff will come, and they did. It's a lot. I don't think I can be able to say it in this 3 minutes, and I'll prefer to say it in interviews or write. I do write, so I can probably write my own book. I just only could speak from my end, from my memories, the limited memories, because it wasn't like I was with my mom all the time. It wasn't like I was my dad all the time. And then the other ones that raised me, this guy he's a foreigner. They usually get, when they have secret children, they always usually get foreigners, somebody they can threaten to take away their Visa card or something like that. And that's how it is. And then the mom, she's a drug addict, but she's experienced the same things. She had been violated young too, and her mom, it's a whole tea. And I'm just letting you guys know, put it in the internet, because they might come after me. I don't have no mental illness. I'm not violent. The only thing I'll do is protect myself. But I'm letting you guys know that they go to extreme measures to change history and to try to shut me up, because they're just sick individuals. They know what the fuck they're doing, and they're gonna get their karma. God don't like ugly. Don't send these demons. God got you.